I'm Assistant Tina from COSWHEEL. Your T20 bundle will be very sturdy, and the design pic will be printed on the box. When you see him, you will know that your T20 is home. He is stuck in the box very tightly. It takes a little effort to bring him out. This is definitely not a problem for brave riders. He's already 95% assembled. To ride your beloved T20, you still need a little bit of hands-on ability. But don't worry, it's very simple. Let's follow Tina to install it. As you can see, the front wheel are tied to the body, and they need to be taken apart with a knife or scissors. And then take out the two accessory kits from the basket below. It contains a complete set of installation tools and small accessories. Don't put them in disorder and don't lose any accessories. Then take out the wheel axle of the front tire from the accessory bag. And take off the protective cover of the brake disc. And then insert the axle in the middle of the tire. And then tighten the knot. And then try to install the front tire on the suspension fork. Oops! It's blocked by the front light and handlebars. So, install the handlebars first. Untie the front light and the handlebars. A set of tools is needed to install the handlebars. Take out the very important hexagon screw tools from the kit. They come in different sizes and are used when screwing screws of different sizes. If you have screwdrivers at home, it will be more convenient. Unscrew the screws on the handlebar. Tear off the protective covers of the handlebar. Align the handlebar with the frame. And then screw in and tighten the screws. And then cover the protection cap again. Make sure that every screw is tightened, which is related to riding safety. Next, you can install the front wheel. After tightening the knot on the one side, tighten the buckle on the other side. Make sure that the front wheel are firmly installed. Plug in the cable on the handlebars to ensure power connected. Next is the installation of the back seat. Oh, the seat is here. It's very simple. Insert the seat directly into the reserved hole and tighten the buckle. Then there's the installation of the front and the rear fenders. Take out the front fender. Align it with the hole reserved for the front fork. Here, pay attention to fixing the light and the front fender to the beam together. You can use a wrench to fix it at the back and tighten the knot at the front. use a small hexagon screw tool to tighten the light head. And the direction of the light head can be adjusted to a suitable angle. The light and the front fender are installed. Then take out the rear fender and the required small accessories. First, adjust the angle to align the reserved holes. Take out the screws and the nuts. Insert the screws into the holes and the tail light and tighten them. In order to make the rear fender more secure, don't forget that there is a second hole under the seat to tighten the screws. Make sure that the screws are tightened and the fender will not shake. And you are done. The head of the seat is adjustable. The battery, like a cannon, is locked on the body with a key, which is firm and anti-theft, and is easy to remove and recharge. Finally, the installation of the foot pedal is very simple. The left and the right are written on the foot pedal. After screwing it up, use a wrench to reinforce it. After the installation is complete, check the power status and LCD display panel. Press the power switch, turn the handle. The panel shows that the speed can reach 50 km per hour. Use your T20 Freestyle and start your first ride now.